Hi friends, we're waiting for tubeless spoke wheels in Himalayan. Finally, the tubeless spoke wheels of Himalayan have been updated on the website. If you see, when you click on the configure option, you will come to this page. In this page you can clearly see that here at the bottom I have added the wheels, and if you see, its pricing is showing 11,000. You will see the wheels that are tubeless spoke. In Hyundai Black also you will get tubeless spoke wheels with Golden Dream, and it is available only for 11,000. That means it is very cheap. So it is added here as well, and I will show you by removing it here as well. I have removed it and it looked normal. And as soon as I added it here, you can see the difference between the two. So, for only 11,000, you can update it now. Such an update is coming here. Now, all the people who want to buy it, you will have to wait a little because it will take some time to streamline and come everywhere. Now, you are getting it from your nearby showroom or not. You can purchase it by contacting them directly. Now, whoever has a contact in the spare department can also purchase it from spares and in any vehicle. You can install this on any bike of yours. You can see that any bike you have, you can install this. See, you can easily install this in any color. So this is a good feature. Now if you see the price of this wheel, friends, in the aftermarket, if you want to buy it in a pair, then it costs up to 45, 50, 60,000 for cross box. But this is a cheap offer for you. It will be a little costly for 11,000 rupees. Because the stock rim in this is removed. So its price is given after deducting the fee. So you can see that in all the colors, you can install tubeless rim and the tires are already there. You need to fit the same tires in Himalayan. You don't need to change the tires because the tire used is a tubeless tire. Remove the tube and put a new valve in it. You can easily use it. So I think this is a very good offer. In other bikes, you will have to check the fitting with details whether it is fitting or not. But this is a very good update that at least the price has been disclosed on the website. It has been added. So new buyers can definitely take advantage of it because if they have added it in the past, then you will get these cross spokes sooner or later. Take care and see many more such updates will keep coming for you.